ng bulsa, pagod pa ang paa, kakahanap ng regalong mura at maganda. Ito na naman yung ganitong panahon, kung di kalendaryo ay maalat na hamon. Wala na bang iba, fruitcake na luma, exchange gift na diary, chocolate at sabon. Dum-dum. Wala na ba kundi panandali ang saya? Wala na ba kundi ako, ikaw at siya? Nalilimutan natin kung bakit may Pasko, isang nagmamahal na Diyos ang sinilang sa mundo. Ding dong, ding dong, ding ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding. Heto na naman mga awit ng panahon, si Santa Claus ni Rudolph nagtipon-tipon. Wonderland ni Johnny, puting Pasko ni Crosby, ano na nga yung hit ni Michael Jackson.
That's my first time to hear that.
Yung ganitong panahon, kundi kalendaryo ay maalat na hamon. Wala na bang iba, fruitcake na luma, exchange gift na diary, chocolate at sabon. Wala na ba kundi panandali ang saya?
I can't hear the father.
Wala na ba kundi ako, ikaw at siya? Nalilimutan natin kung bakit may Pasko, isang nagmamahal na Diyos ang sinilang sa mundo. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding. Maligayang Pasko, maligayang Pasko, maligayang Pasko, maligayang Pasko sa inyo. Dum dum.
Thank you, girl.
Parang ano parang concert chorus.
Sing!
Were you there on that Christmas night when the world was filled with the holy light? Were you there to behold when the wonderful toy came to earth? Did you see how they held him king with a gift so rare that they chose to bring? Did you see how they bowed as they praised him aloud at his birth? Did you hear how the choirs of angels sang as the glory of the sight? Did you hear how the bells of heaven rang all through the night? Did you know, it was God's own Son, the salvation of the world began? Did you know it was love that was sent from above to the earth? Did you know it was love